fast boys out.
It's dirty because it was
Hey, what's up?
That shit sexy. What's good, my guy?
Nick.
Nick.
Yeah, Nick. Oh shit! Yeah, I seen Sonny riding in this today. No, I'm talking about I seen Sonny riding in this today and shit.
I put him in his
This shit moves. R33. Oh nah. Got GTR out here. GTI S3. You already know the guys. Type bar. Side. Got some my VQ boy. This look like the fast guy section. Another type bar.
Look at this.
Oh, what?
Oh my. Holy shit.
Twins on the truck.
Tonight, but the nigga see he was on stage there. You know, Mustang on her.
Oh, we outside tonight. You got the boys on the other side too, though.
My name is Gani. Oh, hey man. Today we'll be talking about a car meet that we have here on. Oh shit, my bad.
Mexico. I'll leave it out.
On Mexico. This is Mexico. This is I don't know, a bake. This is the fast car. It's a BMW 340i, as you can see. That is a bake. That is fast.
Nah, look how they get. You hear that, Gotti?
Oh, you don't gotta put the I need a political. I see that crusty ass hair. It's not even precision.
That boy moving now. It is the next day, and as you guys could tell, your boy made it home safe, and the NISMO made it home safe. After all the racing, abuse, and everything I put it through, the car is running 100%. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys slap that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, what are you waiting on? Subscribe. If you want to see more racing content, more car meets, anything in the Florida and Mexico area, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. It is your boy, Nick Stacks. I'm out. Peace.